first day of work here, they told us that C-sharpe is a unicorn. And I was kind of like, what does that even mean? But throughout the summer, I just came to learn more and more about what that meant and how true it is, because I can't think of another company that would celebrate you and affirm you and lead you as well as C-sharpe does.
I was especially taken back by the fact that the first day I got here, there was already a 3-week schedule every single day of what I'm going to get into.
Best way I can put it is they had a plan for just about anything. You know, they have weekly meetings to like kind of really delve into where can you improve as a person, and not necessarily like, oh, how's your job going? It's like, how's your life going?
That's what makes these guys different than anybody. I mean, they really care about you personally rather than you as just a job.
Like, even as an intern, you're still brought in like you belong with the company. You're invested in, essentially.
I was expecting it to be, a lot of grunt work and a lot of nothing really that important, but that was not true here.
I didn't even feel like an intern most of the time. I mean, they really care about us and they don't want us to have to do anything that they wouldn't do, and they want us to feel like we matter.
My standards are set so high because C-sharpe has been so kind and so nurturing to me.
I think one thing that I've learned that I'll always take with me is the importance of being a humble servant. And I think I was shown that through all the employees around me who wanted to serve me and were so humble in the way that they went about it. They never wanted recognition. They just wanted to truly love me and serve me, important to me the best way they could. And I think that's super rare to find.
And I really think that every worker here truly embodies what it means to be servant-hearted. I mean, these people pour their heart and soul into their jobs, and they're so friendly and so kind, and they truly care about you.
A term that gets used around here a lot is jump in the boat. And that's the best way to describe how the organization works here. Everyone is willing to drop what they're doing and help each other.
You can always ask them questions and they're going to stop what they're doing and help you and answer them, and everyone's always there for each other.
It's nice to be around that sort of fellowship. I don't feel like that's everywhere. It's like a sense of community.
I've been very blessed to be able to build relationships with other interns and college students, as well as co-workers from all over the place.
I think a lot of times you go into your workplace and you don't really expect to build meaningful relationships, but I really have found that here at C-sharpe, and I've made friends that I know I'll take with me for the rest of my life.
Last question is, would you come back to work for C-sharpe?
I 100% would, yeah.
Yes, most definitely.
I would absolutely come back to work for C-sharpe.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Like, no hesitation, just absolutely.
Absolutely.
They want you as bad as you want somewhere to go, and that's about as good as it gets. So yeah, I would consider coming back here to C-sharpe. Yeah, planning on it actually.